Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You now begin with the essentials. Confirm you meet the level and story requirements, and make sure the zone is unlocked. Once done, open your quest log and locate the Mount Quest. Accept it from the starting NPC. You should travel to the marked area immediately. Do not grind elsewhere, because some objectives require a single zone visit. Make sure your retainer isn't in the way and prepare any consumables for travel. You'll need smooth execution to complete the early objectives promptly. Now focus on the middle tasks. Follow the quest instructions to complete trials, dungeons, or reputation grinds. You'll often need to collect items or defeat named foes, target those objectives directly, and use Duty Finder or Party Up if you're stuck. Once you complete a required duty, return to the quest giver to trigger the next phase. Do not skip turn-ins. Also, inspect your quest journal for hidden steps. Some mounts require a follow-up delivery or cutscene before the final reward appears. Complete the concluding step. An on-screen cutscene, delivery, or a final NPC turn-in typically grants the mount item. Once claimed, open your mounts list and use the mount hotkey or the /mount command to summon it. If the mount doesn't appear, relog and revisit the NPC to confirm the quest shows as completed. Make sure you completed every follow-up objective. If problems persist, clear your game cache or wait a few minutes for server sync. This resolves most reward delivery issues promptly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.